just cruising around the neighborhood. Guess what? Hey, shark! Tavi's like, what is not happening? But guys, good news! Today's video, it's all about the CB6 Powerful Car Entertainment AI box. This is the company, Atoto. Think beyond, live ahead. Who doesn't want to think beyond and live ahead? Tavi, don't you? I think you also want to think beyond, right? Personally, I've been like wondering, like, when was I gonna be? English is not my my first language, but we are trying, right or left? Yeah, so we are trying. So I've been we got a new car, but this car, the thing that I didn't like about it, yeah, you know, everything has advantage and disadvantage. So one of the things that I didn't like about this car, it never came with an Android screen. I think they call them yeah, it's a CarPlay. So the CarPlay here, it's like the stereo, the radio here, which I'm gonna show you guys in a few. It's not an Android CarPlay. So I've been wanting to watch movies. I've been wanting to use Google Map. I think with this one, it's gonna do much. So I still don't know about the features, so I'm going to plug it in, and we're gonna see what the CB6 has for us. Don't you guys want to see this amazing AI box, what it can do? So let's jump into setting it up. Yeah. Hey, shaka. So right here, this is what we've been using. It's just a very simple CarPlay that if you go to the apps, it's only like Bluetooth, find mobile apps, but if you go here to no app found, do you see, to find sync enable mobile app that are running on your device pair, you have to pair, you see, you have to connect your phone so that you can basically use it. So for me, I don't want to connect my phone. That's why I'm so glad to be having this CB6, and we're gonna see what it has. So with the CB6, it comes with when we open the CB6 box, Tavi, chill. So it comes with 3 cables, the USB cables, and right here, the main guy is right here. So the CB6, I've always been watching this, and finally I have it here. So we're gonna put it aside. So we want to set it up, but first of all, before you purchase this right here, there are things that you need to check first with your stereo radio or something. So you have to come to the setting, then you have to go to what do you call, general. I hope you guys can see general. Then hey, shaka, about sync. The version of your stereo should be at least 3.0. So right here you'll see like ours, it's sync 3, software version is 2.3. But for it to work much better, it has to be 3.0, but we're gonna try with ours to see if it will work with our 2.3. But make sure the sync is 3. If the sync of your stereo radio is about 2, then I think you'll have to update it. And to update, you just go to general, then you look for automatic system updates, then you just click scan for updates now. But you have to connect it to a Wi-Fi for it to work. First of all, I need to remove because when you purchase it, it's like it's already been sealed, so you have to remove the package. Right there. So if you see right here, we have SIM card slot, memory card slot, and a USB port. I'm gonna use this cable, which is a USB and a Type-C. So so I'm going to connect this right here, as you guys can see. So you can see there's some light there, a green light blinking. So that means it's on. So let us wait and see what will happen on the screen. So yippee, Android! Finally, we have an Android in our car. Tavi, are you excited? At least you'll be able to watch your, cartoons. So, first thing first, the thing that I like most is it is the Google Map. When you come to the US, I tell you this for free. For the people who have not come to the US, make sure your Google Map is working, because here everyone mostly they use their Google Map. I've seen, like, I was in Florida and I've seen how those people they Tabi, who's that? Is that here? So most people they are using Google Maps. So for us to have a Google Map here, that's the best thing ever. Here. So the Google Map is right there, as you guys can see. So if you click down here, this now, if you want to see your apps, you click there and you can see all the apps that the CBC comes with. There's you can connect your phone via Bluetooth. There is map messages. You can always read messages right there. You can make phone calls. You can upload some apps if you want to. There's a Bluetooth music where you can play your music. If you slide it towards the left, there's still like more apps. There's Chrome, Gallery, Play Store. So here you can always download some of your apps that you want. And Tavi's favorite app is here, YouTube, where at least he can be able to watch his cartoons. And there's like, it comes with a lot of features. Just see Spotify, Shaka, hey, tune in. Me, I'm already liking this app already. There's even Google, there's Chrome, there's Google. Like, they give you different options. There is even Prime Video. If you have an account with Prime Video, these guys, they've got you covered. Again, more apps if you want to download more apps. If you have a Netflix account, guys, there's TikTok, VLC. Like, what else do you want? Like, you have all of these things right in your car. I call this like a comfort zone. Like, it's a moving car. You can move everywhere, anywhere, and still be able to, you are in a position to watch your movies. You are in a position to watch your videos. If you want to watch news, all of that. Tavi, are you happy? Are you excited? Do you like the CBC? wait until I connect it. So I need to connect with the Wi-Fi so that we can see how the apps work. I think I'm gonna go back to settings, to Wi-Fi connectivity. I think it should be right here at on the settings. There's Wi-Fi up there. I hope you guys can see. You just click on the Wi-Fi. It should be able to find an available Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna turn it on. So it's now searching for networks. So I'm gonna use the Bichanga. Yeah, so guys, you'll have to, I have to put the password here. Yeah, so finally it's connected. So I'm gonna go back, and because I want to try and see if it's working. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm going to type Core. Yeah, there it is. You can, it's the first option, Core the Traveler. Yippee! That is my recent live that I did. You can see. Should I play it and see if it's gonna work? Wow, I like how fast it is. Like, I'm gonna turn the volume up a bit. Welcome to Core the Traveler. And I think I need to maximize and see. Guys, look. Tabby, who is that? Got done with the video in our main channel. I hope you. Tabby, who is that? Who is that? Is that Papa? Is that Daddy? Daddy. So guys, it's working. I like how I'm able to watch our videos just right here. This is super amazing. I think Tabby is very happy. Are you happy? Are you very happy? Wow, I'm so much crazy and in love with this AI box. Guys, for me, I don't know what to say next. So I think I'm going to sign into our what do you call, Play Store, and at least be able to download some of the apps that we want, but that I'll do it later. You can always purchase all these gadgets from Toto. The link is in the description box below.
What Ali's been saying all night, no nil-nils here in 92 in the Champions League. Here's Darwin Nunez though, and Harvey Elliott's going to be involved straight away. Oh, it's in! It's in! It's a Harvey Elliott smash and grab in the Parc des Princes, and Liverpool somehow have the lead with 3 minutes left. They've been under so much pressure. Harvey Elliott's first touch off the bench. It's Paris Saint-Germain 0, Liverpool 1. Astonishing.
Welcome to Core the Traveler, and yeah, we are back home in Ohio. We really missed this place, right, honey?
So much.
As much as during our trip we could go to different places to sleep, the hotels, just changing hotels every now and then. No, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. We ended up spending a lot of money, and for me, I feel like, east or west, home is the best. So we are glad to be back home, and we thank God for that. So it is a very beautiful day. It actually snowed last night. Yeah, did you see this video? Yeah, so it snowed last night a little bit, so it's a bit cold outside, even though let me just show you guys. Even though today it's sunny and a little bit, no snow on the ground, but in the morning you could see snow on the ground. But all in all, we decided to go out and just drive our, not our mini bikes, but mini bikes that belongs to my brothers-in-law. So we are going for a ride. We are taking two mini bikes, one mine, and the other mini bike my wife will be riding it. So I can't wait. I can't wait to um, go out and maybe have fun. We're gonna go with Tavi also, so he's not staying behind. I know I'm talking too much as always, but I wanted to show you guys Tavi. Hey Tavi, how are you? Are you so happy?
He's excited about going outside, isn't it, Baba? So we've been in the house sick.
Hi, are you happy?
But Tavi has not been that much sick. He's coughing a little bit, but there's no fever, there's no anything like that. Yeah.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
So how are you recovering?
I'm trying. My throat really hurts when I swallow, but I saw an improvement from last night to today. I was really in pain last night. My mom told me to put like warm water with salt, then I gargle it in my throat, and then I spit it out. That thing made my throat feel like sandpaper. As much as I know it was good for my throat really hurt after that. So then, next thing, Wayne came with some whiskey. So I don't know these home remedies, but today I'm feeling a little bit better. So we thank God.
I'm glad you're
Thank
feeling
God.
much better. Yeah, and guys, that is one of the reasons why we've been like away from YouTube in our main channel and also here. It's because before we left Florida, we all became sick. We were coughing like Brukenge that have flu. So we've been trying to isolate ourselves from people, and yeah, we just came back home. You're gonna see the complete journey of us coming from Florida to Ohio. The videos are still dropping, so I hope you guys
like 2 days
will enjoy.
before we came home, right?
Almost, yeah, 2 days.
We got sick again. I got sick.
No, you've been sick like all the way like in
There was
Florida.
a week I was okay.
In Florida.
You remember when we went with the bikes? I was okay.
Yeah.
I was okay that week.
So the thing is, after we came from what do we call jet ski, that's
careful, buddy.
that's when the sickness started.
Yeah.
I think it
came
was
back.
We are
Do you want
suspecting
more?
socializing
more?
with some people from Ohio that had gone to Florida. Some of them they came with flu, and also going to the ocean, and that just the water was very, very cold, and yeah, very scary. I can't forget that. I can never forget that. Shark, shark, shark.
You know, people are saying you're saying that too much now. So I replied to that person, Shaka.
It has to be like 3 times. If it's not 3 times, then it's not fun. Right,
Last time
Tani?
you said 2.
Oh.
This time it's now 3.
Oh.
Careful.
So, we want to go on a ride, taking the mini bikes. And, guys,
today they cannot complain that Tavi is not dressed up. This coat, it's the 3rd layer.
hey.
And he has 2 socks. And I'm still adding this vest on top.
Wow.
Then he's gonna wear this. And I don't know, I might even put some mittens.
So where is your parents?
My parents, they left us in the forest again.
No, it's like, yeah, your parents, they left.
They went to Cincinnati
Mm-hmm.
for it's called an EdgeCon. for Americans who might know.
EdgeCon.
EdgeCon.
Okay.
It's a meeting where they discuss like your personality type and how you deal with people, relationships, how to deal with like difficult people maybe in your life, or marriages, or just relationships. Like basically that's, I think, what the meeting. So Cricket Valley was one of the sponsors for the event, so they couldn't miss being there. That's one reason why my parents came home early. Usually they stay in Florida the whole of March, but they came back early because of that. And if you wonder why I look like a mad person with all of this, I also have an earache, so I'm not gonna mess with this cold. We are gonna bundle up so that we are comfortable when we are outside there.
And it's not only just your parents, but also your
My
brothers.
yeah.
They went along. So
I'm
that
still
means
hungry, Mom.
we are gonna be here home alone again.
And now the moment that I don't have the baby, it's when you want to start spitting manenos. Tavi boy.
Tavi.
You don't like it? You know, Mommy...
I think it's fine, so he can eat the rest of the food whenever we come back home.
Mommy has provided for you some. Do you even know that we are going outside? Honey, where is that backpack holder? Do you have it? Now, not the waist thing, but the thing that holds him like close.
I think it should be in the car.
I thought it was brought up and I put it in the closet when we were unpacking.
Have you checked it?
Sit, Baba.
He doesn't want to see it.
Sit.
Tavi, you need to see it.
At the end of the day, Mommy gotcha. He's like, why am I having all these clothes?
Let me go and check. Tavi never wanted to see it. So I'm gonna have to check. Are you sure?
It's not in one of the drawers. It should be by the bags or somewhere like that.
No, I don't see anything. So I feel like it should be in the car. Maybe I should just go and check. So we are just about to leave to go outside. So we are just getting ready. All of us. We don't want to leave anyone behind undressed. So all of us, we need to just dress up so nicely so that when we go out, we can enjoy. So this is how outside it looks like. I think we've been here before. You remember this backyard? So this morning up here it was full of ice. I mean snow, but it has already melted. And guys, good news is that spring, after winter, it's always spring where plants starts to grow. So this was the first thing that we noticed. I don't know which plant it is, but it's the one we've seen that it's not growing. So I'll try not to talk much and just let you guys enjoy. So these are the mini bikes that I was telling you guys about. So we're gonna go with these two. So I think we are looking for the baby carrier. This one here. I have this Tavi.
Look, Daddy is going to strap you in.
Okay, good to go. Say something.
Something. Let's go, baby. Tavi, is this so fun? Imagine him going backwards, babe.
It's fine. You've never seen something like that.
I just feel bad for him. He wants to see out the front.
Off we go. Go in front. Woohoo! Hey. Yes, guys, we are having some good time here. We are enjoying ourselves. So I'm here with Baby Tavi, and I think the wind is too much. Yeah. So we are just cruising around the neighborhood. So it's a very, very beautiful place, and I really miss this place. So we just want to go around where we live, like square. So we've already covered a bit of the land. Now we are on the width, halfway. Then we're gonna go to the other side of the land, then the width, then half of the land. I don't know if I was making sense, but tavi. Hey. This is so beautiful. It's fun. It is fun just to get out of the house and enjoying the ride, you know.
So much. I think one of these days, are these able to go through like the mud?
I think so.
I think one of these days when Mom has Tavi,
Yeah.
you and I will take a tour of the farm, not going the back road to the house.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Tavi. Mama sees you. Hi. I hope it's okay.
Yeah, he's fine. Hey.
It's a lot warmer when you go a little bit slower.
Yeah.
And also the sun is helping a lot.
Wait there. Wait.
I've been trying to be my own guiding star, but it appears it hasn't taken me very far. I've tried to be my own all in all and everything, but it's just been a hard and arduous thing. When I look back upon the life I have lived and the choices I have made, what do I see? All hell fails when I try to push my way, but when I give in, all life's good came running at me.
Yeah, I know you guys don't want to see my face, but it is what it is. So I just love the environment here. It's very, very good, very peaceful compared to living in the city or in the ghetto. Yes. Yeah. So the view in this area is just awesome. So I just wanted to show you guys the view also. Who doesn't want to come and stay in such an environment? Just away from chaotic, chaos. City has a lot of chaos. So just coming to stay in such kind of a place. Shark. So guys, we just came back home. That was fun. I really enjoyed it. I had an amazing time. I can't say it was bad. No. I had a good time out there. Just driving, riding those the mini bikes, and I think Tavi, did you enjoy yourself? Did you enjoy yourself? Until he fell asleep. That was fun.
Want to heat the milk. Yeah, it was nice, especially once it gets a little bit warmer. I think we can do that as a family in the summertime. It'll be nice.
Yeah, I think so. Tavi, how are you? I was so much obsessed. Should I say obsessed? Is obsessed a good word to use? With the electric bicycles in Sarasota. Like, I just fell in love with those electric bicycles. So yeah, hopefully one day I might get one for us.
A two-seater.
Maybe a two-seater, me and Tavi.
But I really like these also.
The electric motorbikes. Yeah, they're good, but yeah, long story short, they're good. But when the thing that I don't like about them, when the battery runs low, so that's it. Like with electric bicycle, you can always pedal them as far as you want to go. As much as even the battery is low, you can always just continue with your journey. But all in all, I still love them. Mini bikes, they are awesome, and I had an amazing time today. So everyone is away. They will be back here probably, I think it should be on Saturday, right?
Or Sunday night, I don't know.
Either of the 2 days, either Saturday or Sunday. So today is on Thursday.
Tavi, what are
So
you trying to say?
probably in 2 days time they might be back home. So meantime we are going to have the whole house for ourselves. I think we've been staying just my family, my wife and our baby Tavi. We've stayed here just this way when they went to Florida. So we are used to this kind of life where they can always travel and we can always stay behind. Anyways, for me, I'm so much grateful, and it's a very very beautiful evening, and I just wanted to bring you guys along so that we can all get to have an amazing time together. I know you guys, you really missed us as much as we also missed you. So I just wanted to let you know, you guys, you know, you are like a family to us, and most of you, we read your comments, and most of you are so much concerned about where we went to. So the thing is, we got sick since Florida, like since our last days in Florida. We my wife was very sick, Tavi was sick, so I became sick in Florida, and I mean in Ohio. So right now I can say most of us, we've really improved, and yeah, we are getting much better. So yeah, that is just an update of the Bichanga family. So I hope you guys, you really enjoyed this video for us going out to ride the mini motorbikes, and always stay tuned for more videos to come. But first of all, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell. It will always alert you whenever I get, or whenever we get to upload a new video. You get to be the first person to watch our videos. So don't forget to click on the bell, on the notification bell. And for the people who have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hey, Shaka, what are you waiting for? Please remember to subscribe to Kore the Traveler. Remember to subscribe to the Bichanga family. Remember to subscribe to Tavile Bichanga. One way of showing love to us. Anyways, I talk too much, so I'm gonna end this video here by saying thank you so much, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Adios.